My name is Shina. I came into workshop today to have a little bit of knowledge about to start my own recruitment agency. The workshop was so straight, informative, with a lot of grand, long-time experience. And I listened to a lot of testimony from those people who have been involved in the workshop before and the progress they make in their businesses, and some though who have changed the business or started the business, and some that are still running for over 9 years. Quite interesting and for much more informative. So this make me to just try to get involved in a little bit where I can to start. I'm confident and I believe I'm going to make good progress when I start my own recruitment agency straight away. We'll be working in the healthcare recruitment, healthcare, medical and healthcare industry. So basically, because I have about 12 years experience in that industry, so I believe we can be able to help to make up the gaps. And then my target is to go into the recruitment team. So she's gonna possibly make it by an international recruitment as possible as I can do. Yeah, the workshops are, like I said, it's more educating in terms of the necessary information needed to start a recruitment agency. Also, the workshops also provide an opportunity to have a one-on-one grown-up discussions to other people who have been getting involved. That's much to give more stability and encouragement and the confidence to go into it gradually and to continue to grow up the business. Yes, I am confident, despite the fact that I haven't run a recruitment agency before. I'm confident because of the workshops that provide me a lot of information needed as it promised for day-to-day support and a guideline to how to run it. So that gives me a lot of joy and confidence to be able that this is going to be a successful business endeavor, which I believe is going to grow up gradually. And Joe has also promised me to work along with him, so that it's going to continue to give me the cushion and support I needed to be more successful in it. Now, during the workshops, I was joking with Joe that when we got to the sections where we're talking about recruiting from abroad, and I got a testimony from one of people that have attended the workshop before that said he has been recruiting from New Zealand, Australia, Dubai. I said, yeah, that's my target. So my aim is by the next couple of years, I should be able to go more international. So I'm still open to work with Joe because he's cool, so rich in experience. For 40 years experience is a good stick to hold on to. My motivations, like I've been trying to be here quite some long time ago, read and see over them from the newspaper. But the main motivation is I want to be financially independent. I need to free myself as a boss and try to do things that I think it's more gonna make me happy and continue to help others as well. I think we both gonna. It's a business oriented, so we both gonna benefit. But I believe I and others who are coming to the workshop will benefit. So yeah, fine. I can recommend, and I will recommend the startup recruitment for more people to come along for workshops.